Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check in with United Airlines, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. You can typically check in starting 24 hours before your scheduled departure. Have your confirmation number or Mileage Plus account details ready, along with any necessary personal identification information. This preparation simplifies the initial steps, saving you valuable time before your flight. To begin, visit united.com on your computer or open the United mobile application on your smartphone. Look for the check-in tab or button, which is usually prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your 6-digit confirmation code or log in using your Mileage Plus number and password. This step confirms your booking and allows you to proceed with the check-in process seamlessly. Once you have accessed your reservation, carefully review all of your flight details, including dates, times, and destinations. This is also your opportunity to select or change your seat if available, often for a fee depending on your ticket type. You can also add or modify any checked baggage information or other special services you may need for your trip. Always double-check everything before moving forward. After confirming your details, you will receive your boarding pass. You can opt to have it sent to your email, save it to your phone's digital wallet, or print it at home. If you have bags to check, proceed to a United self-service kiosk or the bag drop counter at the airport. Look for signs pointing to bag drop or kiosks for efficient service. Make sure your luggage is properly tagged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.